is like start in the front. These are crazy. There you go. So you have your paddle shifters. These bring you back to like the older model Hellcats. Start button, chargers. Well, you actually have launch control in here, which is pretty cool. Let's see. Let's just make sure I don't get any copyright. Not now. So then I'd have to take a phone out. I'll just scroll through the radio, maybe just get an idea of what it is. Yeah. If you don't live in New York, that's not going to be really relevant. But you get the idea. Nav, vehicle, there you go. Performance pages. You got your lap times. You got gauges. There you go. Coolant temp. Well, you can read it. Dyno. So if you're putting it on a dyno, you get power band, G-force. People don't use that much, but it is what it is. And vehicle dynamics, so you can see your steering angle. The wheel's not, obviously, the car's not on, so you're not going to see it. Apps, no. Connect the phone. Comfort, no, I don't want to pair a phone. It's just going to keep asking. And then home. And there you go. So, let's see this thing. Pretty good sound system. I like
They got a third row back here.
this is like the only interior. This and red are like the best on the Hellcat. And look at this. You got like this darker chrome door handle, and then you have this. It's pretty cool. Mirrors and all that. Headlights, turn off the hazards. Just down here. Well, the lights should be off, but all right. Take a look at the rest of it. Head. We're gonna also show the.
But it says heavy.
It's just not supercharged like that one is.
That one got the twin turbo. Oh, that's what's missing. Supercharged.
Before I get in the back, just look at this color. I mean, metallic flake. Look at that. I think this is B5 blue metallic. This is an old color. Yeah, I really like that interior. It's even got 3 rows. Very nice interior. It's 6 seats. It's not 7 or any more than that. But I mean, that's all you really need. Just absolutely love interior colors like this. I mean, you don't see these very often. It's this and red that I like the best. I'm not going to even try to get back there, but you get the point. There you go. I'm going to get in the back. I'll show it to you. Durango SRT Hellcat. Very nice.